Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and I appreciate you guys tuning back in. I'm gonna be having a nice look at the Nike Dunk High Varsity Red colorway that's gonna be dropping here soon if it hasn't already. They did release early in Europe, so I got off of the Goat app. Luckily they got here a few days early, enough time for me to just kind of show you guys what they look like, and maybe you guys will decide whether you want to pick them up or not. But before I get into the shoe, make sure you guys hit the like button if you like the content. If you guys are enjoying the content, hit the subscribe button if you guys want to. If you guys don't want to, it's cool, man. I don't want you to be here if you don't want to be here. And yeah, man, let me know your opinions on the sneakers that I review or that I give you guys a look at. Sneakers are in here. I'm about to crack them open. Let's take a look at these, man. Like I said, they will be retailing for $110. I believe they're releasing on multiple websites like Finish Line, JD Sports, also on Hibbett Sports, and I don't know where else. So yeah, $110 is retail, like I said. And yeah, these released early in Europe. Shout out to the Goat app. Let's take these out of here. I don't want to see the shoes yet, so I'm gonna flip them upside down and then flip them back. Let's get that out of there. Alright, here is the sneakers. Here are the sneakers. And there's your guys' size tag and all that good information. Nike Dunk High Retro White University Red. True to size. I usually tend to go true to size on dunks, especially on, I guess, dunk lows and dunk highs. You could get away with going down a half size. These do run a little roomier, like around the toe box, around the toe area. So yeah, you'll have enough space, but I'd say go true to size. I think true to size is good. I don't know, half a size down is kind of, I think it's just kind of pushing it. But if you have a skinnier foot, then maybe you could go down a half size if you miss out on your regular size, on your whatever you normally go with. And let's open this up. I've never seen this paperwork before. 16 and 6/1 ink. Looks like somebody's address. But yeah, cool, man. I've never seen that paperwork before. I'm gonna move that out the way, and here you guys see it, man. Goat card, whatever, authentication card. And here are the shoes, man. Let's check these things out. Ooh. Man, it actually doesn't look too bad. I mean, that's the reason why I picked these sneakers up early, is because I actually do want them in the collection, and somehow, you know, like, I actually have a YouTube channel, so I could show you guys the shoes early, and then I get them early. These I actually only paid, like, I believe 150 bucks. So to me, that's a freaking steal for these shoes, man. I think this is a good pickup for 150. I don't think you could really beat it. The colorway is nice. So if you guys want something that is affordable, this is definitely one of those affordable sneakers that you could pick up. There's a lot of affordable sneakers. If you guys want me to make a video speaking on affordable sneakers that you guys could pick up and I could link them or something, let me know in the comments if you want me to do that. I could definitely do that for you guys. You guys see the shoe. Lately the leather on the Nike Dunk Highs or the Nike Dunk Lows hasn't been like the best, but I mean, as far as the shoe and the price goes, I think you're paying for what you're getting. And I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad leather quality. It's just that stiff. But I mean, at the same time, it has this very nice texture to it. So it's not bad quality leather. If you guys are wondering how the quality will be, these will definitely be tanks, and they'll last you a very long time for the price that you're paying. Not a bad shoe. Check out the tongue with the Nike on the tongue right there. Oh man, that is beautiful. That's pretty beautiful, man. I actually do enjoy these shoes. They look very nice. I think they're gonna look even nicer on feet. I'm gonna put them on feet for you guys. Guys, check out that outsole, that red outsole. Varsity red. So this it's pretty much, I like what Nike's doing with the dunks. Like, they're not overhyping them. This is pretty much the St. John colorway, but they're not calling them the St. Johns. Had they called these the St. Johns and had they released them on the sneakers app, I don't know if they are, but if they hyped them up a little bit, I guarantee you these would not be going for 150 bucks. This would easily be over $200, just like they've been doing before. But now I feel like they kind of stopped giving them the name, and if they would have called them the St. John Highs or something like that, I think it would have been another story with the price tag. So I like them just keeping it on the hush and allowing sneakerheads that know what's going on pick them up. And to me, that's good, man, because you know, whenever they drop the lows, the Kentuckys, the Syracuses, the Michigan ones, the Spartans or whatever, those things were going crazy because they were putting the names, they were tying the names to the shoe. So I like what Nike's doing. You guys let me know if you guys are gonna pick these up. Let me know what you think. Do you think Nike is doing good by changing the names of some of these sneakers, like the Crimson 4s? They changed the name from Red Thunders to Crimson 4s. And I think it's a way to get the hype away from the shoe and let the real sneakerhead just kind of go and grab the shoes that they want, even though those shoes are still going for a little bit of money. Had they called them Red Thunders, I think it'd be crazier, you know. Even though that's the name, you know, they went ahead and called them the Crimson Reds or whatever. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know how you feel about these. Let me know if you're gonna be picking them up. Like I said, 155 bucks on GoDaddy. You can't beat it. Y'all let me know what you guys think. It's your boy Jay. I'm out of here. Saludos. Hasta luego. Thank you for watching this video. I'm about to throw these on feet for you guys so you guys can see what they look like. And I'm out. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Every time you guys leave videos without hitting dislike or like, it's like going into the restroom using it and not washing your hands. That's how it is, man. So make sure you guys give me some kind of feedback, either a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I don't care. If you guys want to stick around for the long run, you're more than welcome to subscribe. Hasta luego. Like I said, saludos. Peace, ladies.